Are you tired of juggling multiple kitchen gadgets to whip up your favorite recipes? Do you dream of a single tool that can blend, chop, and whisk with ease, all while keeping your countertop clutter-free? Look no further than this Braun MultiQuick 7-3-in-1 Immersion Blender with food processor, a powerhouse designed to revolutionize your cooking experience. As the #1 brand in hand blenders, Braun delivers innovation, versatility, and performance in this sleek, 500-watt stick blender. In this in-depth review, we'll explore why the MultiQuick 7 is a must-have for home cooks, from its cutting-edge technology to its seamless functionality. Let's dive into why this immersion blender is stealing hearts in kitchens worldwide. Why the Braun MultiQuick 7 stands out. The Braun MultiQuick 7 isn't just another kitchen appliance. It's a culinary game-changer. With its easy SmartSpeed technology, ACTIVEBlade system, and PowerBell Plus design, this immersion blender tackles everything from silky smoothies to chunky salsas with precision. Whether you're a busy parent, a meal prep enthusiast, or a culinary adventurer, this 3-in-1 tool simplifies your workflow without sacrificing quality. Highly recommended by America's Test Kitchen for its ergonomic grip and intuitive controls, the MultiQuick 7 blends power and practicality in one compact package. Here's why this immersion blender deserves a spot in your kitchen. Versatile 3-in-1 functionality. Blend, chop, and whisk with a single device, reducing the need for bulky appliances. Innovative technology. Features like ACTIVEBlade and SmartSpeed set it apart from competitors. Effortless cleanup. SplashControl technology and dishwasher-safe attachments make post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Trusted brand. Braun's legacy as the top hand blender brand ensures durability and performance. Let's break down the features that make the Braun MultiQuick 7 a standout choice for modern kitchens. Key features and benefits. The Braun MultiQuick 7 is packed with features that elevate it above standard immersion blenders. Here's a closer look at what makes it so special. Easy SmartSpeed technology. Say goodbye to clunky speed dials. The MultiQuick 7's SmartSpeed system lets you control blending power with a single squeeze. Press lightly for coarse textures or harder for finer purees. This intuitive, single-hand operation gives you ultimate control, whether you're emulsifying mayonnaise or blending hot soups. World's first ACTIVEBlade technology. Braun's groundbreaking ACTIVEBlade system features a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, creating 250% more active cutting surface compared to the MQ700 series. This means smoother results with fewer chunks, even when blending tough ingredients like frozen fruit or nuts. The 500-watt motor powers through the hardest foods with ease. PowerBell Plus with extra milling blade. The patented PowerBell Plus design includes an additional milling blade for more cuts per rotation. This feature excels at processing large pieces and hard ingredients, making it ideal for hearty soups, smoothies, and purees. Combined with 25% less suction, it ensures effortless handling and consistent results. SplashControl technology. Tired of splattered countertops? The MultiQuick 7's advanced SplashControl technology minimizes splashing, keeping your kitchen spotless. The unique bell-shaped design reduces suction, allowing you to blend directly in pots or bowls without making a mess. Easy Click Plus accessory system. Switching attachments is a snap with the Easy Click Plus system. The MultiQuick 7 comes with a blending wand, whisk, 2-cup chopper, and 600 milliliters BPA-free beaker, giving you the versatility to chop herbs, whisk cream, or blend smoothies in seconds. All attachments are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. Ergonomic design. Designed for comfort, the MultiQuick 7 features a soft grip handle and a well-placed trigger-style power button. Its lightweight yet sturdy build ensures fatigue-free operation, even during extended use. These features combine to create a tool that's not only powerful but also user-friendly, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Who is the Braun MultiQuick 7 for? The Braun MultiQuick 7 is perfect for a wide range of users, including busy home cooks, streamline meal prep with a single tool that handles multiple tasks, health-conscious individuals, blend nutrient-packed smoothies, purees, and soups in minutes, parents, Create baby food or family-friendly meals with ease using the chopper and blending wand. Small space dwellers. Replace bulky appliances with this compact, multifunctional device. Culinary creatives. Experiment with sauces, dips, and desserts using the whisk and chopper attachments. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, the MultiQuick 7 adapts to your needs, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Real-world performance. How it shines. To put the MultiQuick 7 to the test, I used it for a variety of tasks over a week. Here's how it performed. Smoothies. Blended frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk into a creamy smoothie in under 30 seconds, with no gritty texture. The ACTIVEBlade technology handled frozen fruit effortlessly. Soup. Pureed a pot of roasted butternut squash soup directly in the pot, achieving a velvety consistency without splattering. The SplashControl feature lived up to its promise. Chopping. The 2-cup chopper diced onions and herbs uniformly, perfect for salsas and garnishes. Whisking. Whipped cream to stiff peaks in under a minute using the whisk attachment, ideal for desserts. The MultiQuick 7 consistently delivered fast, flawless results, proving its worth as a multitasking powerhouse. Pros and cons. Pros. Powerful 500-watt motor tackles tough ingredients. Intuitive SmartSpeed control for precise blending. ACTIVEBlade technology ensures smoother results. SplashControl minimizes mess during blending. Versatile attachments for blending, chopping, and whisking. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Compact design saves counter space. Cons. The slowest speed may feel slightly fast for delicate tasks. The 2-cup chopper is small for large batch prep. While minor, these drawbacks don't overshadow the MultiQuick 7's overall performance and versatility. Why choose Braun MultiQuick 7 over competitors? Compared to other immersion blenders, the MultiQuick 7 stands out for its innovative features and trusted brand reputation. Unlike budget models, it offers premium technologies like ACTIVEBlade and PowerHouse, ensuring superior blending results. While some competitors include larger food processors, the MultiQuick 7's compact chopper is sufficient for most home cooks, and its ergonomic design and splash-free operation give it an edge. Braun's legacy as the #1 hand blender brand, based on independent research from 2006 to 2018, adds confidence in its durability and quality. Final verdict. A must-have kitchen companion. The Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 immersion blender with food processor is a versatile, powerful, and innovative tool that transforms the way you cook. From its intuitive SmartSpeed control to its mess-free SplashControl technology, every feature is designed to make your kitchen tasks faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're blending smoothies, chopping veggies, or whisking desserts, this immersion blender delivers professional-grade results in a compact package. If you're ready to elevate your cooking game, the MultiQuick 7 is an investment you won't regret. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.